So if you're looking for your first real camera, there's probably one big thing that you might be missing, or maybe you're not thinking about, and that is this whole idea of the out of camera look. So what do I mean by that? Well, every single camera has a certain look coming out of the camera, meaning that you don't have to edit or change anything. And that's something that I think is really valuable, especially if you're the type of person who doesn't want to spend a lot of extra time making sure that it looks the way that you want it to. And at least for me, I found like the cameras from Panasonic, specifically with a Panasonic S5IIX, looks really the best for me, straight out of camera, and also gives you these other functionality called Realtime Luts that allows you to apply a different look to it. And so if there's a certain style that you like, you could apply it in camera, so then whenever you record it, you don't have to do any additional work outside of it. And so that's going to save you a lot of times and headaches. And if you're somebody like me who doesn't want to spend a lot of time doing that and wants to spend more time creating, then that's something that's going to be really valuable, is this whole out of camera look. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments there below. And if you did want to see more of my camera tutorials, tips, and thoughts, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below.